Alright folks, we left an hour ago to go down to the river and do a little fishing, and that was at 7 o'clock. It's now 8 o'clock, 8:05, and we already have fish roasting over the fire. Not bad. Not bad at all. Beautiful little fish too. And I'm just cooking them on a stick. I poke it through the back, stick it through the mouth, poke it through the back, and then I can turn them the direction I want to. Sometimes if they spin, you can like slit through the main stick and then poke another little stick through it to keep them from spinning around, but I think for small trout like this works fine. Okay, you can see now that I turned the fish onto their back. I like to cook them on the sides, a little bit on each side, and then cook their back. That's where most of the meat is, and it takes the longest to cook through, because it's, on these guys, it's almost an inch thick. So I've been cooking them for about 20 minutes now, just slowly. I don't cook them too close to the fire. They tend to get overdone. They're still good, but this is the way I like to do it. Okay, now it is time to prepare the fish. The fins and stuff should be able to pull off nice and easy when it's cooked well. And they do. So I just pull them off, just like that. Okay, and then the skin should also come off pretty easy. And I usually start from the tail area and just kind of cut through with the fork, and all you need is a fork to do this. And see how that's just coming right off. It's just peeling off. There we go. Nice. And let's get the other side. Oh, awesome. Well done. And just a little bit on the back. Now for the meat, you start at the tail, and this is just falling off the bone already because it's well cooked. Oh yeah. Looky there. All the bones just come right out. Let me get this side a little too. See all the bones coming out? Nice. Whoops, I accidentally tore one bone off there. Watch out for that one, Nate. Alright. Now I like to season it with a dash of lemon pepper. Look at that. Okay, Nate, you want to try a bite?
Sure.
Come on over. To the camera, Nate. Don't block the camera. There you go.
I just gave the bone. Oh my god, this is good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Alright. Now for mine, I'm going to do the same thing. You can go ahead and eat, Nate.
Okay.
The camera can run itself right now. Oh my gosh, this one's just, everything's falling right off. Skin. Alright. That's good. Oops. Just a piece of skin. A little lemon pepper. And it is time to eat. Oh my gosh. Best breakfast of the trip so far. Alright, we're gonna go eat now.